Suppose you want to adjust a video's saturation, brightness, or contrast. You will use video color controls to do this. So let's take a quick look at it. Before I show you the video color controls, I'm just going to play a brief video clip that we'll use for the demonstration. To adjust the video controls, you'll go to your video menu, which is the icon on the left, and you'll click on color controls. There you will see saturation, brightness, and contrast. Saturation increases or decreases the amount of color. So if I go all the way to the right, that is extreme color saturation. And if I go all the way to the left, bringing saturation to 0, that will essentially turn the image into a black and white video. Brightness is pretty self-explanatory. Making it more bright, I will move it to the right. Making it less bright, I'll move it to the left. And finally, there's your contrast. Sliding it to the right increases your contrast. Sliding it to the left decreases the contrast. And that is your basic color controls. Keep in mind that on ScreenFlow, the color controls are a sledgehammer, not a scalpel. If you really are doing some serious color control work, you will want to use more professional video editing software. ScreenFlow is primarily designed for screen capture projects, and so we only have these limited degree of video controls. But they can be useful when needed. And that is the video color controls.